Hello guys, welcome back to the VbScript section of this course. So this will be the last section in VbScript. This is a bonus lecture. I've seen a lot of times these questions are asked in interviews and the interviewer doesn't have the clear answer to these questions. Okay, so let's discuss this. Three questions. These are very important questions. So the first question is there a try catch statement in VbScript? We have seen in error handling that there is only on error resume next statement available which does multiple jobs like in any other language. If you have any idea of Java or .NET or C Sharp, for error handling what we have a try catch statement there. Okay, but in VbScript there is no try catch statement available. There is no try catch statement in VbScript. Okay, now the next topic is what is a dynamic array and what is preserved keyword used for. Okay, we'll take both of these questions together. Okay, so first let's discuss what is a dynamic array. Okay, so let's say you have a requirement that you'll be getting multiple values from application or from Excel, but you don't know the size of the array, okay, that you are going to define. Okay, then in this case, what's your options? You have to define a dynamic array, okay, which can grow or shrink as its size as per the requirement that you have. Let's say now for one test case you want to read, let's say, 5 values from Excel sheet, so you'll create a array of 5 element. In the next test case you want to read 10 values from the Excel sheet, okay, and do some operation via the same function that you used in script 1. So this array should automatically resize to 10 elements. System should not throw you an error. So if I have defined the array, how do we define array? Dim x2, like this, if you remember the array section. Okay, and then I try to allocate a value at x3. Okay, some value. This will throw me an error saying array is out of bounds. Okay, and this array cannot be, this is a fixed length array. Now I cannot change the size of this array. Okay, so if I have to define a dynamic array, instead of defining array with the help of keyword dim, I have to say redim. Okay, the moment I say redim, now I am pretty much independent to say to redefine my array again and again as per my need. Okay, rebound ubound of 2. So this will give me the total length of the array. Now let's go ahead, resize the array, print the value. Now again let's go ahead and try to shrink the size of the array. Okay, and print the ubound. Let's see how it goes. So it is giving me the size 2, it is giving me size 4. That means my array got resized properly. It is giving me size 1. That means my array got shrinked properly here now. Okay, now let's see what happens to the values. Okay, so initially my array was of size 2. Okay, and I assigned some values. X0 is equal to 1, x1 is equal to, and x2 is equal to 2 and 3. Okay, now I resized my array and let's try to print all the values. How do I print the values? For I is equal to L bound of x to u bound of x. What I'll say here? I'll say message box x of I. They should print all the values. Okay, let's comment this part and try to execute this code. So initially my size was 2, now my size became 4, and you see the first element x of I is 0. The values that I allocated here are somehow gone. The moment I resized my array, all the values are gone. Okay. So what I can infer from this is that when I resize my array, what would be happening internally at the memory is this array is getting erased from the memory and a new array of the same size is getting created at the memory location. That's why all my previous values that I saved are getting erased. Okay. If I don't want this, let's say I want to preserve these values, okay, then this question comes into picture, that how to preserve the values while resizing the array. What I'll do is I'll use this preserve keyword while resizing the array. Now if I run the same loop, okay, let's see what happens. So now even though I have redefined my array, but I'm getting my older values. So in the first 0, 1 and 2 location I had some values. It is printing. The third and fourth location is added new. Okay. So we have resized the array from 2 to 4. So there is no value into this locations. Okay guys, this was the last section for the VB script. Now we'll meet in QTP section. Okay. Have a good day. Let's meet into